President Draupadi Murmu conferred the honorary rank of General of the Indian Army on Suprabal Janiswar Shri General Ashok Raj Sigdil at an investiture ceremony in Rashtrapati Bhavan today. Both the houses of parliament witnessed disruptions over various issues today. Tourism Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat has highlighted that the country's domestic tourist visits increased from nearly 120 crore in 2014 to 250 crore in 2023. Cashless treatment of accident victims scheme will be launched across the country soon, says Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari. The number of registered enterprises on MSME UDM portal has increased from 1.65 crores on 31st March 2023 to 5.60 crores on 30th November this year.